Hi! Let me walk you through our community roboreos. Come on in.
Hi, I'm Jocelyn Velarde. I'm a second year student here at Tecnológico de Monterrey. I study robotics. I'm also an MLH coach and I'm a student engineering leader here at my university. I also love to attend hackathons during the weekends because I love to learn and apparently don't like sleeping. I also love salsa dancing and I love plushies.
On October 7 to 12, we have our midterm meeting with all our community to check how goals are coming up and plan for the upcoming semester. We review these changes on our team's channel. On November 1 to 2, we have our event candidates, where we are expecting around more than 100 attendees, sponsored from Deadpool Digital and Equity Brands, as well as directly from our school. In here, the 1.5 development amount of robots is showcased finally. On December 2 and 3, we have our finally community meeting, where our achievements and numbers are shared with all members. We discuss further planning for next semester in January, and all members must be required to attend. On December, we also have our Robot Shop event, where high school students participate in multiple workshops to develop their own robot. They then compete in our university to learn valuable skills. Budget is provided by our university, and we are expecting about more than 300 attendees. On January, we also have the Zero Hunger event, where we motivate students from our university to donate food for this cause, which is then taken to shelters. On February, we have our Robot Cupido event, where we bring our community together with love and friendship. Our development team creates a matching app where the community can interact and then find a potential map. We find this as a fun event. No budget is required. On March, we have our 10-year anniversary. The budget is being created right now by our finances committee, so we can have an awesome event to showcase all of our accomplishments as a community. On March, we also have collaboration with Women in Tech and Techo, where we participate in a children's fair from diverse backgrounds to learn about technology and local mindstorms with the kids that attend there.
Being part of the GitHub Campus Expert means a lot to our community because it means to have support from GitHub community and the tools to potentiate our development and leadership skills, while fostering our community to aim for more while having GitHub support. We also can get training and mentorships with the latest technologies and continue building these diverse and inclusive student communities that we love. We believe strongly on bridging the gap between classrooms and industry by emphasizing the skills necessary for success in software development careers, by expanding the industry-specific knowledge inside our university, by being the channel through which they learn new technologies and best practices. So we believe that we are a very strong fit to the GitHub Campus Expert program for our community roboreos.
To engage less active or new members, we have a specific procedure. At the beginning of each semester, we send a Google Forms to each community member to know if they will be active, inactive, or not present because of the change programs, work, and so on. We also have a community point system where each member must have a certain number of points to be considered as an active members. Examples can include such as helping out at workshops, going to team conferences, cleaning our robotics lab, staffing at an event, and much more. Each member then has a mentor assigned. They review their goals and individual team goals and points to see how each one of them can succeed individually and as a team. At the closing of the semester, we have this final meeting where the Excel is accounted and each member can view their development during the whole semester. We also have two annual competitions. We have our candidates event to invite new members from our university into our community, and we also have RoboChamp to reach younger audiences from high school so they can later on be part of roboreos. We also have our diffusion channels such as TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and our webpage where we let everyone know what we are doing and how they can get more involved.
Every time we come after event, we have an afterwards meeting where every participant says how he or she felt, what went wrong and what went right, and all of this data is used then to act upon it. Everything is stored on our Microsoft Teams community so every member can access it. As for the community and public events and workshops, every time we do one of these, we like to add a QR code at the end of each event, and participants can tell how they felt. Everything is stored on an Excel database, and then on our midterm meetings, we talk about this feedback and act upon it. One example is from our candidates event where they told us that we were doing events in a too short notice, and as a result, we decided to implement a virtual modality so they can enter the workshop whenever they want.